By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to effectively utilize the tools of carbon copy and blind carbon copy when sending an email. The first thing we do in Outlook to send an email is go to the New Message button. When I click on New Message, a window pops up. There's a couple ways to include people in your email. The first one is to start typing. If you start typing the name of the person and you've sent an email to that person before, their name shows up. To include them, I just go ahead and click on their name. If it's not a person that you've sent an email to before, you click on the To button, and here in the search you can search for people in your organization. In this case, we have all of the names of the people in our global address list, so I'm going to go ahead and include a name of a person that I want. In this case, it's the second name down, so I'm going to click on it, and then once it's selected, I can click on To, and it appears in the To category. The second topic is carbon copy. So if I want to carbon copy someone, I would type their name, select the person I wanted to carbon copy, and then click on carbon copy. And so far, I'm sending this message to Eric Lofty with a carbon copy to Joseph, which means that it's not necessarily for Joseph, but that I want him to see the information. The last thing is to utilize the blind carbon copy. You can type the name of the person in the search box, select the name you want, and click on blind carbon copy to include them in the message. Now we have a message from or to Eric Lofty with the CC to Joseph Harper because I want him to see the email, and a blind carbon copy to Leslie Fan, and I would use this in the case that I did not want Eric or Joseph to know that I was sending Leslie Fan an email. Once you have all your people in there, you can go ahead and click OK, and your names show up in the message. Now I'm going to include a subject, and of course I can type my body and click Send.